How to delete PUBG. Hi guys, it's Migran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to delete PUBG. Deleting PUBG is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open setting. Go to the setting app on your phone. Once you are on the setting, go to the app or application. Scroll down and find the app or application manager option. Its name might be different depending on devices. Find PUBG Mobile. In the list of installed app, scroll down or use the search bar to find PUBG Mobile. Tap on PUBG Mobile. Select the app from the list. Clear cache and data, it's optional. Clear cache. Tap on the storage. Here you will see option to clear cache. Tap on this to remove temporary data that might be stored by the app. Clear data. Tap clear data. This will reset the game completely and delete all game setting and local data, but your progress will still be saved on the server if you log in with your account. Uninstall. Tap on uninstall button. Confirm the deletion by tapping OK. The app will remove from your device. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can delete PUBG. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.